Welcome again. This is Global Geographic Site, and today we are going to look at 10 real places on Earth that seem scientific impossible. Having on mind that there are some locations on Earth that seem to defy logic and challenge out of understanding of the natural world. In this video, we will take a closer at 10 places on Earth that appear to be scientific impossible. The first place we are going to look is the blood force. The blood falls of Antarctica are said to be behold. The water that flows from the falls appears to be blood red, giving it its name. The red color is due to the high concentration of iron in the water, which oxidizes when it comes into contact with air. The second place is the Ceiling Stones. In Death Valley, California, there is a place where large rocks seem to move on their own. These rocks, known as ceiling stones, leave trails behind them, suggesting that they have moved across the desert floor. The third place that looks scientific impossible is the door to hell. In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, there is a fiery crater that is referred to as the door to hell. The crater was formed in 1971 when drilling rig accidentally passed into a massive underground natural gas cavern, causing the ground to collapse and forming the fiery pit. Now, the fourth place is the Wave in Arizona. The Wave is a sandstone rock formation located in Arizona that appears to be rippling wave frozen in time. The intricate patterns in the rock were formed by erosion over millions of years, and they are popular destination for hackers and photographers. Now, the fifth place is the Pamukkale, which is located in Turkey. The Pamukkale is a Turkish word which means cotton castle. Pamukkale is a natural site in southwestern Turkey known for its stunning white terraces are formed by the buildup of the calcium carbonate deposits left by the flowing water. Now, the sixth place in the earth, which looks like shocking and terrifying, is the Bermuda Triangle, which is located at Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and aeroplanes have mysteriously disappeared. The exact cause of the disappearances remains unknown, and many theories have been proposed to explain them. Most of the people have lost their lives and their beloved ones in the Bermuda Triangle in Atlantic Ocean. The seventh place which we are going to look at is the fly geysers in Levanter. The fly geysers of Levanter is a man-made geothermal geyser that was accidentally created during drilling operation in the years 1960s. The geyser continuously spills hot water and steam into the air, creating a colorful and worldly landscape. Now, the eighth place is the Moerak boulders in New Zealand. The Moerak boulders of New Zealand are large spherical stones that have been scattered along beach. These boulders were formed millions of years ago and are believed to be the result of sedimentation and erosion. Now, the ninth place of the earth which looks like scientific impossible is the Richat structure in Mauritania. The Richat structure is a massive circular formation located in the Sahara Desert of Mauritania. The structure is also so large that can be seen from the space, and its origins are still not fully understood. Now, the last and the 10th place on Earth that looks like scientific impossible is the Giant Causeway in North Ireland. The Giant Causeway of North Ireland is a unique rock formation that consists of thousands of interlocking basalt columns. The columns were formed millions of years ago by volcanic activity, and they are popularly destination for tourists and hikers. There are more other places on Earth which look like scientific impossible, but today we have looked at those 10, and there are others many. These 10 locations on Earth are just a few examples of wonders that our planet has to offer. Whether you are a scientist, a traveler, or a simply curious person, these destinations are worthy exploring and experiencing first-hand information. For more information about geographics, just subscribe this channel and we are going to inform you, educate you and entertain you on matters about